What's up, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at moebius models 1971 Ford F-250 Custom 4x4. Let's go in the box, what's in the box, open up, see what comes inside, and take more detail later on. Alrighty, so we're going to start off with the basics with the clear parts. Don't get these in the bag so you don't get scratched up. But you have really nice clear parts. You get your main windshield, your rear window, and your side windows, and headlights and stuff. Really nice clear parts, super nice. Onto the decal sheet. This is actually a really nice decal sheet. You do have 3 or 4 different Ford emblems for your tailgate, which is fantastic. You do have a pattern for your interior, Ford for your hood, and bunch of interior pieces and bunch of little Ford emblems. $390 for your engine valve cover or for your engine intake. And you get this beautiful American Eagle for your basically rear window or wherever you want to put this. This is really nice, absolutely fantastic. And you have a couple American flags right there too. Super nice. Alrighty, you have multiple pieces of chrome trees. Now, in these Moebius kits, you do have multiple of spare parts, so you are not using every single part that is in this kit. You do have your marker lights and you have your side trim. Okay, and this one you have your hubcaps, more side trim, valve covers, just tons of stuff on these little chrome trees. This next one has 2 bumpers, multiple options of rear mirrors, another set of valve covers, wipers. This one has your side trim for the side of the truck, which is really nice so that we don't have to use bare metal foil on those. This little tree has your tailgate emblem for your Ford and your main grille. Fantastic, it is open. Really nice. Then the last clone tree has your wheels. Super nice, your wheels and your wheel backs. You do get 5 of them because 1 is a spare. Alright, moving on to the gray plastic. This is for your pedals. You have options for manual or automatic. This tree has your exhaust, oil pan, and a bunch of engine components. This one has your heads, and more engine parts. You do have one of your steering wheels, air filter, this one has your engine halves, fan, and let's see the head, yep, and belts and pulleys. There is your pedals. Again, you can do this as a manual or automatic. Your brake booster halves. Battery, sun visors, and your wheel backs, the small wheel backs, and more little pieces was like a windshield washer reservoir, horns, springs, small little coolant hose. This one has your firewall, your tailgate. That goes on the inside, and then for your engine bay, that's for your hood release. This one has your dashboard, super nice. Got your radio very well pronounced for your buttons and stuff, switches. You do have gauge crusted decals. Then there is part of your bed, sway bars, and it looks like a spare wheel carrier right there, and a steering column. Next tree has your outside of your tailgate with your Ford emblem. This one has your brakes and your spare wheel, another spare wheel carrier. Again, you are going to have a lot of option parts in this kit. There is part of your bed with your lights, optional lights, which is really cool. You don't have to put this on, but it's there in the kit if you want to. We got another bumper. This is your step bumper. Another steering wheel and steering. And there is your radiator. Next tree has your door panels and your nice bench seat. Look at that. Super nice. You have your hood with your big Ford emblem. Again, you do have decals for that, which is nice, and you have tons of underside detail. Here is your main interior pan or floor. Textured for the carpet, cool. And then we got another part of your bed or interior, I'm not sure, but really nice. Here is your bed. You do have to build up a bed on this one, but these build up very nicely, as I remember when I built one of these moebius trucks. And there is your bed sides. Nice crisp detail, and again, you do have your trim separate, so that is really nice. Then more of your bed inner bits. This is for the inside of your bed, and that is your wheel wells and stuff. Next tree is all new for this kit. Looks like gun brackets, and you do have 2 guns in this kit. This is pretty neat. It looks like a shotgun, and I'm not sure what that one is, but that's pretty cool with a scope on it. And then more of your bed roll cage area for that, for your bed. You do have another exhaust. Finally, the last tree looks like you have a new bumper for this kit with a wrench. There is where your wrench will go. Here is your multiple drive shafts. Leaf springs, these are your lifted leaf springs to make the truck higher. This is for your custom truck, which is fantastic. Look at those leaf springs. Those are for your back ones. Amazing detail. You do have a ram bar or push bar, you want to call it, a bull bar. There is your custom lifted springs. There is your wrench and another spare wheel carrier, looks like. Really insane. And I'll lie, that's a N.Y.S tree. This is your couple of N.Y.S trees right here. There is your frame. One-piece frame, which is fantastic. Here is your axles. Just the amount of detail that is in these. And these are your regular springs. These are the springs you would not be using. And you will not be using these drive shafts either. So again, you are going to have a lot of spare parts in this kit, no matter what. Just super cool. And because we got more regular springs, again, these springs we are not using. This is for the regular truck. You have some shifters, another oil pan, Here is one of your transmissions. Your only transmission in this kit, I'm not sure. Here is your transfer case. And more sway bars, components, and stuff. You do have another air filter, steering. And then looks like a front crossmember for your frame where your engine goes to. And this is your last tree. You do have another set of valve covers. Another crossmember, another head, another filter. Here is your hood hinge, and more engine components. You do have your hoses, your heater hoses, another intake. Insane. And the last thing in the plastic is gonna be your main Ford body. This is your F-250 body. Really nice. You do have your fenders bolted in. Your firewall separate. Your door, everything is drilled for your door handles, your gas filter cap, and your rear mirrors, wipers. So all that is drilled out. Your cab is all one piece, which is fantastic. Usually, sometimes you have to glue it on your back half, but really nice. I don't see hardly any mold lines, just a small one right there. You can kind of see it. Panel lines are pretty decent. I'll scribe them out just to make sure. But really nice. Super fantastic body. Yeah, this is nice. Really cool. Then the last portion of this kit is going to be your tires. Here is your tire package. They are no name brand tires, but they are the off-road tires. Now, I did hear rumors that these tires are a bit too small for this kit. It just look a little weird because I believe these tires are in the Moebius tow truck as well. So if you want to, go ahead and get some aftermarket resin tires that are just a little bit more bigger. And to tell you a comparison, such as these ones. As you can see, they're a little bit bigger. The diameter is a little bit fatter too. So if you want to get some different aftermarket resins tires, you know, just a bunch of them out there on eBay and stuff. But I did hear, like I said, they are a little bit small for the kit. But if you don't mind that, and these are the ones you get. But after taking a really good look at this kit, guys, this is an awesome kit. You are getting a lot of parts. Like I said, this is a parts box filler kit. This kit was packed to the rim. As you saw me unboxing this kit, this is insane. There is so many bags. I'm not sure how many parts there are, but you will know when I do an intro, because I am going to count these parts for you guys. But there has to be at least almost 200, if not more, parts to this kit. It's insane. But overall, a really nice kit. I love Moebius when they have their paint guide color code. So if you want to do like a manufacturer color, you can. This is fantastic and tells you different ways you can do the two-tone. It's just too cool. And then we do give you a detailed guide of how to paint the chassis and stuff. See, they're doing like a worn version. And there is your engine, your interior, dashboard, and then your tailgate, your wrench and stuff. So if you do not want to use the wrench or the step bumper, you don't have to. You can absolutely use the optional steel bumpers that comes in this kit. So it's your kit. You can mess around. You don't have to go exactly on the instructions, because all the parts that are in this kit will fit this truck. So if you want to do like a standard version of the F-250, you don't want to do a lifted version, I'm pretty sure you absolutely can do that, because you do have the springs in here. You do have your drive shafts. So if you want to do a lowered F-250 truck, you absolutely can. You have the parts in this kit to do so. You don't have to do the lifted version. But this is just too cool. Moebius is an awesome manufacturer. They're well known for their Ford pickups, and I'm looking forward to see what they bring out next. Like I said, this is one of their latest ones, and this is just awesome. So this is my next build. So hope you guys will follow along, and until my next video, we'll catch you next time. Take it easy.